The first time that we were able to get cells to beat into cardiac myocytes happened for a postdoc, and he says it was kind of scary, because there's all these cells were beating, and he couldn't even believe what he was seeing. I am Bruce Conklin, and I am a senior investigator at the Gladstone Institutes. The research that I am focused on is really on human genetics, and we use iPS cells as a model system. You can induce them to be other cell types. What we're doing is making a disease happen in a dish, and then I also take cells from people who've got a disease and then try to make those cells better. WTC stands for wild type C. Wild type C is an iPS cell line which was developed and characterized in my laboratory at the Gladstone Institutes and then became used as a normal control throughout the Gladstone Institutes, and we realized that this line could be one of the most widely used model human cell lines to offer it to public banks, to offer it to the Allen Institute.
We're using the WTC line as part of our Allen cell collection. We're taking this line and gene editing it to fluorescently label different structures and organelles within the cell, and this is allowing us to be able to visualize these structures in live cells. Now we're making all these edited cell lines available to the research community.
When we get the cells back from them, they really are much more pluripotent and actually easier to differentiate than the ones that we started out with. One problem that they've solved right away is by using a marker of the nucleus that is fluorescent, we can actually identify every cell that has divided and count the cells in an automated way. The other way that we're using these cells is to mark the borders of the cells so that we can actually see the shapes of individual cells. Having a common platform to work with is a huge plus that really isn't the same if we're using 3,000 different cell lines, because there's going to be 3,000 different results. Because it's an open resource, people are already beginning to use it for things that we couldn't have imagined, and the benefits are going to be shared by everybody. Everybody wins essentially with this.